Click on the subscribe button, especially the bell on the right side. Otherwise, you will miss the latest videos.
Means we are in tune.
Yes,
We are in tune with the grahas.
absolutely, sir.
Can everybody come online on screen? I would like to make one or two observations. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See,
We are.
so right now, how many people are present? 168. Right now, there are people present here in which few of their colleagues are having affairs, if at all they know about. They are having official affairs. Official affairs means क्या बोलते हैं? Office का affairs. They are having affairs in their office. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Anybody else?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right now, somebody's elder sister is abroad and facing some problems.
True, sir.
Right now, somebody's in-laws is having knee problems. Somebody's in-laws is having
Yes,
knee
sir.
problems.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One of the relatives, hello, one of the relatives in the last 8 months has died.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Two relatives
Yes, sir.
in my family.
Yes, sir.
Two relatives in my family too.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. That's true. My grandmother, mother's mother.
And somebody has loose motion problem since the last 8 months. Baba, yes or no?
Sir, this is something difficult to answer for anyone.
No. We are astrologers. We have to be open. I have
understand,
15
sir.
to, I have 15 to 20 diseases. I don't mind admitting it right now. But do people have loose motion problems in the last 8 months? 100%.
Yes, that's true.
Who said yes, that is true?
Vandan Agarwal, yes.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal.
सर मेरे बच्चे को हुआ था.
Thank you, Mr. Vinod. 1 second, just hold on. Arey Baba, somebody's siblings, brothers, sisters, somebody's siblings has had a problem with gold in the last 5 months. Come on, say yes or no.
Sir, you said gold.
I said somebody's siblings had
Yeah.
problem with gold in the last 5 months.
Yes, sir. My brother, he sold his gold for some financial issues.
Only one person's admitting it. That means I don't know
Sir.
Jyotish. का.
गोल्ड मिस हुआ है
Sorry.
सिस्टर का गोल्ड मिस हो गया
Pushpinder ji, can you be clear, please? I cannot hear you, Pushpinder ji.
सर मेरी सिस्टर का जो गोल्ड है वो गुम हो गया
You said your sister's gold has been lost.
My sister found the gold जो गुम हो गया था.
I will repeat it in English. Your sister found the gold which was lost. Correct?
Yes.
Now somebody's gold in the siblings, huh? Siblings mein.
Yes.
Somebody's gold is not pure. It is a bit dark colored. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? उसको polish करने की जरूरत है. It needs to be polished. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Nivedita, please explain.
No, just means my sister bought a pair of earrings from here, from my city. And recently she has sent it back to me to get it polished again.
She buys new and she wants it polished.
That she keeps on doing. Yes, you are very correct.
Are you understanding the beauty of Krishna, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I know at least little bit of Jyotish, right?
Yes.
Now, some of you would not have been able to go to a temple, or your father, or in a religious ceremony, there would have been a problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. खाली yes बोल के कुछ नहीं होता. You have to give me the story. I am a Bollywood guy. I believe in story. You have to tell me the story.
Sir, I had planned to go along with my colleagues to Lord Vishnu temple today. Means the plan was made about a couple of weeks back. But I could not go. Rest everybody has gone.
Yeah. Sorry, yaar, sorry.
Sir, just a query there. Are we talking about the same time frame, 8 months for this religious ceremony also, or
Yes,
only
yes.
So yes, that's true. I was not able to do a proper housewarming ceremony because of the lockdowns and all.
Can you all give me a second? Sorry, my pain keeps on increasing. And I wish I could take this lecture for a long time. Just give me a second. My God. See, there has to be 1 second. 7th, 9th, 7th. Somebody went to a religious temple and their leg from knee to ankle got injured.
Does it apply to car also?
Sorry?
Injury to car. Does it apply?
Leg problem. Anybody? Come on, leg problem.
No, sir, but I made a plan to go to temple, but I am not able to go. Only
No.
one day I managed to go. Earlier, for 2 years or so, I used to go every day.
No, Dr. Savita, that is another issue. I said about now the leg problem. Anybody leg problem while going to temple, somebody
Yes, sir.
has to be.
Yes, sir. Dinesh here.
Dinesh.
So the first prediction which you gave about going to the temple is correct. I wish to go to Sai Baba temple at Shirdi, but it didn't happen because of this lockdown. Then the second part about the leg, I was going to the Hanumanji temple near my premises. It was, I think, Saturday. Yeah, it was a Saturday. And suddenly I got a sprain in my right leg, just around the knee area. So it's still paining, but the pain has subsided, but a little bit pain is still there. So that was while visiting the temple.
How
The
many
temple
months? How many months back you were going to the temple?
recently, I think 7 days back, maybe 5-7 days back.
1 second. 8 days back.
Yeah, around 8 days back, 10 days back.
अरे एक इवेंट मेरे साथ भी हुआ था.
Anand Mishra ji, Anand Mishra ji, if I can request, there are some foreigners present here. If it is possible, please speak in English. If it is possible, otherwise I will translate.
Okay, sir. Sir, last month I go to Vaishno Devi, and we starting just January. My leg get injured with the stand of bike. When you are leaving our home.
No. Last month you were going to Vaishno Devi. Then what happened?
सर जब हम लोगों ने घर छोड़ने लगे, leaving the home, at that time we are see off on the station. At that time when we get injured.
Did you see any? One second. Did you see any? Did you see a father figure at that time when you were about to leave the house?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Yes.
Whom did you see?
My uncle.
Elderly man, no father figure. Now, please tell me which of you all, there are many people present here, some of your relatives have had a very bad fight in their family. Very bad means very bad. Especially, the one is very bad fight. Second part of the prediction is especially regarding inheritance.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in my family, sir. My relatives.
In my family too.
Tell me the whole story.
We are we are 3 brothers and sisters, and my parents are alive. And my brother has no children of his own. He was twins, one of the twins, and now means he has adopted 2 children.
Somebody else also said yes.
Sir, in my family, it's about the cousins of my father. There are 3 siblings. There are 3 real brothers, and there is a dispute of property which was there since very long, but now it has gone to the extent of litigation about 15 days back.
No, I'll tell you something. There is a woman involved. No, one second. I'm wrong. 1 second, just hold on. You said cousins.
Cousins of my father.
Yes, sir. In my
See, Mr. Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Vivek, the problem is there is a woman involved, and one of those cousins, at least, has a major problem in career.
Yes, and he is the center of this all. He's at the center of this all. Actually, he has been given a separate property long back. But now he's insisting for share in the existing remaining part also.
Mr. Vivek, आदमी का जो क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
Greed, लालच.
Greed, लालच. उसका कोई कमी नहीं. हाँ, निधि गुप्ता जी, please बोलिए.
Sir, a similar story in my paternal family also, maternal. So my grandfather is in the hospital. He got a broken hip bone and he's in the hospital. So he has some amount of inheritance money, and which my Mamaji, he refused to spend on him on because he wanted the money for himself because he's not doing so great in the career. And there was a fight on that between my maternal aunt and my Mamaji, that why are you not spending that money on the father when he's in the hospital? So this happened in March.
Sure.
Two such fights are going on in my family also, but one of them is very intense. Right now I'm living with my maternal aunt, one of my maternal aunts, and she has a stepson, and between him and my aunt, there is a tussle.